Hello, my name is Lisa Hichens, the school superintendent in Batavia, and I am here to update you on our fall reopening plans. We did present this at a board meeting last week, but in case you missed it, I wanted to make sure everybody had the same information about where we're at today with our reopening plans. At its most basic, our plan hasn't changed. We have our remote option and we have an on-site option. And you've made your choice by now, but the people who have chosen the on-site option, really we're calling this our flexible plan, because truly we all need to be flexible. As we monitor local conditions, we know that the plan will change, and it could change on a day-to-day basis. Our on-site learners will learn in a few different modes. One of those modes would be an everyday mode that we hope to get to if local conditions allow. And what that means is that the students are all back in school full-time. But we're not ready for that right now, so we will start the year in hybrid mode. And what that means is that students will attend every other day. And the other option that students and families need to be prepared for is if local conditions require it, we will go into a remote mode for our on-site learners. So that's why we're calling it a flexible plan, because of the 3 different ways that our on-site learners will be engaging with their teachers. We like our soft start that we're calling it in the hybrid mode because it allows our teachers and our students time to learn the new normal together. We know that there's going to be a lot of teaching that the teachers haven't had to do in years past about hand washing, how to walk down the hallways, how to go to recess, how to eat your lunch. And that takes time, and we really value that that would be happening in a small group setting. Another reason that the soft start works for us is because we know that coming back to school in person is going to be an adjustment. A lot of us have been out of the building since March, and so to honor that and acknowledge that it is an adjustment, let's do it slowly and let's not jump into anything. One of the other changes to the start of the school year was pushing back the start date by 1 week to make sure that we were prepared to start our school year as safely as we could, and the teachers need time to learn our new normal as well. And so the first day of school for everybody will be August 19th. If you are an on-site learner, you're going to attend school every other day, and there's calendars on the website that will help you figure out which day your child will attend school. So in conclusion, I would say thanks for being flexible, and stay tuned for more updates as needed.